which is the southern part of Puerto Rico. Peyton is flying the drone of us right now. I'm in the car. So let's see how this shot goes. But basically, we're just down here today to get some footage with the drone. If you haven't seen my stuff on Instagram, we've gone through 5 drones in 1 month. So we bought one and it did not work. So we returned it and got a second one, and that one actually worked for like about 1 day, 2 days. We got about 4 or 5 videos on it, so that's the drone footage that we currently have. And then I'm not sure what he wants me to do. And then it stopped working. We exchanged, returned 4 times. 5th one was a charm. We went to a new Best Buy, got one there. So I think it was just the inventory of that one store. It was either like outdated or something. So we finally have a drone. He's flying right now, and so, oh, I see it. Ah. It's up there. But this is a really pretty area. Not the prettiest beaches. They're kind of like a black sand beach, but the tide is really high. There's lots of seaweed and it kind of smells. So it's not like your beach that you'll see at a resort, because it's cleaned at a resort. So this is just more of like a natural beach that locals go to. So I'm a little stuck. I'm gonna go get Peyton and see what I need to do about that, because I can't keep going. I don't think it's a big deal though. But he's flying through all of the palm trees. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so far we really like the drone. We have a Mavic Air. We got the Fly More combo, and I would definitely recommend it. Obviously we had a hard time at first because we went through 5, but the footage that we do have, we really love. So here it is. He's gonna rescue us out of the sand. It's not that bad. Yay! This is probably why he doesn't let me do things. Somehow every time I do something, like, just the weirdest things happen. Anyways, hopefully we get some really cool footage. I'm really excited for the drone. It's very compact, which is awesome. It's really low profile, low maintenance. We didn't want a big drone. We just wanted something that was like really practical, and so we looked at all of them, and this one seems the best. I think you get about 23 minutes of flight time per battery. The drone just gives like the perfect perspective of things that you don't ever get to share or see yourself. So we love it. But I think we're gonna head over to the coast road after we get some footage here. There is this really good little like shack with fried fish and smoothies. So I think that's going to be the next stop. Over now, I can finally find the air to breathe. As that is seriously some of the best fried fish I'll ever have. We left the coast road and now we're driving to a place called Charcoal Azul, and we stopped halfway. We just lost service with our phones. So there's a little river right here, so we're going to fly the drone and get a little footage, and then we're maybe like 5 miles from Charcoal Azul. So he has been there before and he said it's beautiful, like almost like just around it is so much more beautiful than the actual swimming hole. More like the roads and the views and stuff like that. We've been a lot to the east side of the east and north side of the island, but not as much the south and the west, definitely not the west. So that's, you know, the areas that we're trying to get more of. I can finally hit the break. So we made it to Charcoal Azul. It is about like a 10-15 minute walk to get here. But you can see it's just like a watering hole, this little waterfall. It's pretty blue. But they have like this campground. So this is basically all it is. But the walk is really pretty to get here. But this is all we have planned for today. So we're going to head home and we'll see you in the next video. Make sure to thumbs up and subscribe because it really supports my videos and my channel. And I can't wait to talk to you guys next time.